Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Matt with Garden Instructions. Glad you could make it for today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over to the website for Click and Grow. Now, the Click and Grow is like this system right here. It's like a hydroponic light growing system. So this one that I have behind me is a S9. Now, S9 means that there are 9 pods that you can grow your plants in. So in this one, starting over here, I have basil, then yellow tomato, and lettuce. Now, I just harvested this lettuce yesterday, so that's why it doesn't look like there's anything there. Downstairs, I have an S3. I had 2 red tomatoes that I just harvested, and I have some basil. Now, let's go over to the website, and we'll take a look and see what they have, and we'll see what I can order. And here is the website. So for Canada, it is www.ca.clickandgrow.com. If you're to buy from the US, it's going to be www.clickandgrow.com. Now, these are going to be all Canadian dollars, and it ships anywhere in Canada. So the plant pods have great benefits for the Click and Grow plant pods, including nutrients, seeds are included, no GMO, herbicides or pesticides, has superior aroma and flavor. Smart soil is made of natural, renewable, and biodegradable material, and the plants grow 30% faster. Now, there are a few things that I'm going to be getting today. I'm just going to start with my spring stuff. So I'm looking at shade-loving stuff as I'm going to be planting in mostly shade. I have my backyard facing east and my front is facing west. My backyard gets about 3 hours of sunlight, maybe. Gets sun from about sunrise to about noon, maybe 1 o'clock. So it's the nice early sunlight. It's not going to harm the plants that I get, shade-loving plants. In the front yard, because I am in a townhome, it's going to be about sunlight from 12 or 1 o'clock to probably 3 or 4, maybe even 5. So that's going to be like that hot afternoon sun. But I am only getting spring kind of stuff. So I'm looking at impatiens. And then from there, I'm probably going to get, sorry, not impatiens, pansies. And then from there, I'm going to get impatiens and other stuff. So let's see what they have here. They have an ornamental grass that I definitely want to get. I was just looking at it. It takes about 22 weeks of grow time, and it sprouts in 7 to 14 days. Looks like pretty much everything that I'm looking at getting will be sprout time of 7 to 14 days. So I definitely want to get some ornamental grass. You can see here that I already have a list going. Let's completely close that out. Now you kind of see what I'm planning on getting. Alright, so got one of the ornamental grasses on there. Let's see all the details. So beautiful modern grass. It's really what a lot of people are looking at getting nowadays is modern, contemporary kind of planters. So that's what I'm looking at getting. This is the plant package that comes in. So you get 3 there, 2 and 3. And then there's also the QR code that you can scan and get more information on. It brings you back to the website here. And some rundown. So like it says, sprouts in 1 to 2 weeks. Looks like it grows up to 5 months, but that's really small. I could be wrong. And then grow temperatures are from 18 to 24 degrees. So very, very pretty. a nice green contrast with a white Click and Grow. There are different colors of Click and Grow systems that you can get. So my one downstairs, the S3 that I'm going to be planting it in, is going to be in a gray. I plan on putting it into like a black planter, maybe even a green planter, but have some different other foliage in there as well. You can read the full description here. It tells you your 3-pack for $12.95. Price per pot is going to be $4.31. Now, one great thing about Click and Grow is that it has also partnered with Afterpay. So you can pay in 4 interest-free payments for $3.24. You can also subscribe and pay or save big by subscribing to get your plant pots, and you get 50%, you save up to 50%, and you get free shipping. So some of the benefits with the Click and Grow ornamental grass is truly zero effort. The garden takes care of itself and does everything for you. The easiest way to bring the greenery into any space. No need to worry about watering, light, or nutrients. You replant the pots when you're ready to plant outdoor on a balcony or in your garden. Plant care, like I said, sprouts in about 7 to 14 days. It is not poisonous and is not edible. It lasts up to 22 weeks, so that's like the entire spring and summer here in Canada. It grows best at 18 to 24 degrees as well. That is fantastic information. Looks like it will arrive within 7 to 14 days of shipping. And we don't have to worry about holidays because we're not close to Black Friday or Christmas. This is the end of January, and we're going to start planting for spring. So I have that in my cart there. Let's go back and let's see what else we have. Black Pansy, I would like some of those. Let's take a look at the information on that. Here's a picture. I ordered these last year, and I noticed that they do have very small flowers. I wouldn't consider them a pansy in North American standards. I would consider them more of a viola because they are a small, petite flower. Unlike a pansy can be like a nice big, like palm-sized flower, but nonetheless very beautiful. I had a great show with them last year, and I'm looking forward to getting them again this year. Nice black interest with a nice, cute little yellow eye in the middle there, or the center. Looks great with a white Click and Grow. Looks great with a white background. Other flowers around it. Very, very beautiful. One of the most majestic and eye-catching flowers, visually stunning, and is extremely easy to grow with a Click and Grow Smart Garden system, and I can attest to that. Absolutely easy. Great choice for people who are not afraid to stand out and to test new things. These are an edible plant. If you want, you can mix them in like a salad. I've not tried that. Sprouts in 7 to 14 days, lasts up to 12 weeks, and grows best at 18 to 26 degrees Celsius. Some impatiens. Not going to get, well, let's take a look here. I might get some impatiens right now. Very beautiful mixed arrangement that you can get. Pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see here. They are known as Busy Lizzie in the UK. They are based out of the UK, so in North America and Canada where I live, they're called impatiens. They're great for indoor and stunning interiors. Grow one of the most beautiful flowers with zero effort. It will bring a splash of color to any home decor, or if you want to bring it outdoors like I am planning on it. Plant care, sprouts again 7 to 14 days, lasts up to 12 weeks. Excellent. And should be the same shipping and warranty. Perfect. That's what I'm looking for. Let's add that to our cart. Blue Petunia. I got those last year as well. Very beautiful. I'm going to be getting them again soon, but not in this order. I'm also going to get some of these, click or grow anything. So 3-pack, it's just soil with nutrients, and you can put whatever seed you want. Lots of great things on here, guys, if you are wanting to get some indoor herbs started, or just have herbs all year round. It's really nice. Tomatoes. I'm going to take a look at this painted nettle. In Canada, it's known as a coleus, and it would be perfect and add some wonderful pop of color. Okay, well, it looks like it won't open, and maybe they're still working on the information for this. I am very interested in it. I know it is a shade lover. I would imagine that it's going to sprout in 7 to 14 days as well, and probably last about the 22-week mark from my previous experience with coleus. So I'm going to add those onto my list as well. Petunia, the mixed arrangement, and the pink petunia I will be getting at a later date. Oh, now it loads. Okay, so let's take a look here. Beautiful, stunning foliage. Looks like this one has a couple of different seeds in it, so you're getting a couple of different varieties, and you can always take them out of the pod when you're going to plant them and actually transplant them and sort them. Plant care, what did I say? So 7 to 14 days for sprout time, lasts up to 18 weeks, and grows best in 18 to 30 degree temperatures. Shipping warranty, same. Excellent. So I have that in my cart. Red pansy, yes, getting that. That's going to be the exact same as the black pansy. So I added that to my cart. I got this last year, this Vibrant 9 flower, or Vibrant Flower Mix 9-pack. Mouthful. And I think this is going to be the same thing, so it's going to be the small, yeah. It's a small, petite flower. Very beautiful red foliage with some nice black and yellow center going onto it. Pretty. I'm going to add that on as well. It's going to last 12 weeks. Same shipping, yeah. Let's add. I think that about does it. Let's take a look and see if there's anything else that I want right now. No. Okay, cool. So these guys here are, like I said, a mixed pack of 9. So you get 3 of each plant in there. So like this guy, you got the spotted, oh, I don't remember what those are called. It's like a spotted plant, indoor house plant. Then you have the violas or pansies and petunias. These guys are a pack of 54, so you get a whole bunch of different, and try everything there. Dark greens, herb and salad, must-have herb mix. Great choice if you want to get a variety of things, and that's exactly what you're looking for. Or if you just want to like try something out, those are great too. Well, let's take a look in my order and see if I should place my order now or if I need to edit it. Looks like I've got 2 red pansies in there. I just want 1. I'm planting up, like I said, 12 pot holes. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That is a-okay because I can end up putting in, say, like the coleus once one of the pansies are done. Or I get rid of one and then I have them started at a later date. I kind of want the grass. I definitely want the grass. I want that. I want them all. Why do I have 2 packs of the coleus though? I just want 1. Okay, so let's proceed to cart and we'll check out. Now, I have partnered with Click and Grow, so if you guys are interested in getting it, I will attach my affiliate link as well, so any purchase that you have helps me out as well. I really appreciate it. I will see if I can also get a discount code for you guys. If I am able to get that, I will put that on the screen at the end as well in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I am very much looking forward to these products and planting them up with you. I will do an unboxing and a planting session with you guys as well, so look forward to those videos to come. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to hit the bell notification for when my videos become available. I try to post every Monday, so I'll try to keep on that track. And thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.